A is for American red squirrel. Chatter, chatter. B is for brown pelican. C is for coatimundi. Grunt, grunt. D is for duck hawk. Kiki. E is for European starling. F is for fisher cat. G is for garden spider. Click, click. H is for hedgehog. Snuffle, snuffle. I is for Indian striped hyena. J is for Javon Mongoose. Chatter, chatter. K is for Kalahari meerkat. L is for lace monitor. Hiss, hiss. M is for mockingbird. Mimic, mimic. N is for Nepal grey langur. O is for orange-headed thrush. Melody, melody. P is for Persian onager. Q is for quaking aspen leaf miner moth. R is for rooster. Cock-a-doodle-doodle-doodle. S is for swallow. T is for twin-spotted rattlesnake.
Rattle, rattle.
U is for unicolored blackbird. V is for Vanicoro flying fox.
Chatter, chatter.
The letter V, pteropus.
W is for wood sandpiper.
X is for zebra-tailed lizard.
Shh.
The letter X,
Y is for yellow anaconda. Z is for zebra longwing. The letter Z, heliconius.
One more. A is for assassin bug. B is for bichon frise. Yup, yup. C is for coach whip snake. D. E is for empty shell snail. F is for fulvous whistling duck. Wee-oo, wee-oo. G is for Gila woodpecker. H is for Himalayan tahr. Ba, ba. I is for Indian flapshell turtle. Hiss, hiss. J is for Javanese cat gecko. K is for Cory bustard.
boom.
Boom!
L is for long. M is for minke whale.
N is for Norfolk Island parakeet. O is for Old World porcupine.
Rattle, rattle.
P is for paradise tanager. Q is for Queensland Gromphera.
R is for Royal penguin.
S is for stick insect. T is for tang.
Grunt, grunt, grunt.
V is for vernal hanging parrot. W is for white-throated sparrow, Zonotrichia.
Peabody, Peabody.
X is for Xeric sidewinder.
Y is for yellow-banded poison dart frog.
Z is for zebra finch. The letter Z, tiny opikia. The bunny says hop, hop, hop. One more. L is for axolotl. B is for Bombay cat.
C is for cane toad.
D is for desert kangaroo rat. E is for European robin. Tweet, tweet. F is for flat-coated retriever.
G is for Great Dane.
Woof, woof. H is for harlequin duck. I is for inland carpet python. J is for jaguarundi.
Chirp! Chirp!
L is for leopard seal.
Trill, trill. M is for mosquito.
N is for New Zealand sea lion. O is for orange-winged Amazon.
Hello, hello. Hello, hello. P is for Pembroke Welsh Corgi. Q is for quaking aspen leaf roller. Rustle, rustle.
R is for red-bellied woodpecker. S is for serval.
Yowl,
T is for tent bat.
U is for Utah milk snake. Hiss, hiss.
V is for vulturine guinea fowl. W is for woodpecker. The letter W, Pisidae. X is for Xingu snail eater. The letter X, Drepanoids.
Y is for yellow-eyed penguin.
Z is for zebra finch. The letter Z, Taeniopigia.